What's up, everybody? This is Scott, and I'm here with another video. It's been a while since I've given you guys a video, but I got something I'm really excited about. I've been kind of waiting, and today I think is the day, because I've been waiting for this for, it's right down here. You want to see what I got? Oh. Here, let me move you around the other side. This is called the ASM Hydrasynth. Shout out to Sweetwater for getting me one of these pretty early. And shout out to my boy Andy at the Sweetwater place. But check this out. We're gonna do an unboxing video. Let's open it up. Very sturdy double cardboard box, and actually this box was inside of that box. It's also marked with ASM. Look at that, another double cardboard box. ASM. I don't know if you can see that. So, very securely packaged. Let's see, I guess we'll do it this. Oh, there it is. I originally played one of these at KnobCon in September of last year, and I was basically instantly sold, because currently all my wavetable stuff, most of it, is coming off of my Studio Logic Sledge. Oh yes. And the Sledge does not like to play nice with my sequencer. Okay, it looks like we've got a box here. And this is roughly the same size, so I don't know if I'm going to get rid of my Sledge or not, because I really do like it, but oh man, what a privilege. It feels exactly like the one. Man, this is heavy. Oh, I would say this is probably 25, 30 pounds maybe. Just a super strong build. No twist or flex at all. No squeakiness like some bodies of synths. They have a little bit of flex in them. This one does not. It's very rigid, very well built. I think the whole thing's metal. Metal sides. It's gorgeous. There she is. I'm going to get some more footage later, and I will also make some sounds for you guys. So right now I can hear my son crying, and he needs me to get back to him. So I'm going to pack this all back up, and we'll play with it later tonight. Peace.